I got my cookies! Ah, I'm so happy. Okay. Okay. I haven't had Girl Scout cookies in forever, so I'm happy. Cookies. See, what? These are smaller than I remembered, but okay then. Yeah. I'm just happy I got my cookies. They legitimately just came, and I was like, can I have some right now? And he was like, yeah. Yeah. I can't open this. That was worth the wait. That was so good. Thin mint deliciousness. Yeah.